Now for the quadratic formula, I'm going to write it bigger, but I learned this with a song. So you would just write x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. And the coefficients here are a, b, and c. For a is the x squared term, b is the term in front of x, and c is a constant. So what we're going to do now is we are going to use the quadratic formula to verify that the solutions here are -5 and 1. So here the x squared term is 1. So I'm going to write a equals 1. The x term is 4, so b equals 4. And the constant is -5, so c equals -5. So now x is equal to, we have negative b, so -4, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 4 squared, minus 4 times 1 times -5, all over 2 times 1. So now I'm going to simplify this right here. So we have 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times -5. And that gives us 36. So this equals -4 plus or minus the square root of 36 over 2. So now we can split that up into two answers. We have -4 plus the square root of 36 is 6 over 2. And -4 minus 6 over 2. So -4 plus 6 is 2 over 2. So this is 1. -4 minus 6 is -10 over 2. And that is -5. So we just verified our two solutions. So we're going to practice this when you have an answer like this, and I'm going to let you practice some of the other ones. So we're going to practice number 3. So here, a is 1, b is 10, and c is 18. So again, x equals, we have -b, so -10, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 10 squared, minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 18, all over 2 times 1, or just 2. So here, what I'm going to do is go 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times 18, and that's 28. So this equals -10 plus or minus the square root of 28 all over 2. And then you notice for an exact answer, what they did is split this up. So I can take -10 and divide that by 2. So -10 divided by 2 is -5. And then plus or minus, and we can call this a square root of 28 over 2. This is one portion of an answer. You could also give me an answer by going, all right, we have -5 plus the square root of 28, and then get out of that square root sign, and then put divided by, oops, we need to get rid of that. So let me clear that out. And then arrow over. So now I can go divided by 2. And then this ends up being 7.65 about. And then what I can do is go up and do 5 minus the square root of 28 divided by 2. And my other decimal approximation would be about 2.35. So we're going to practice these. So what I want for you to do is pause the video and practice with this one and this one. So practice and make sure you can get those answers for the quadratic formula.